June 18, 1815. Near Waterloo, Napoleon prepares one final gamble to break Wellington's army before Prussian reinforcements arrive. Wellington places his Allied army behind a ridge, using the ground to shield his men from French cannon fire. Napoleon attacks from the south. Wellington holds the center and farms. Blücher's Prussians march in from the east, threatening Napoleon's flank. The fighting begins around Hougoumont Farm. What starts as a diversion becomes a brutal struggle that draws in French troops all day. Napoleon's artillery pounds the Allied line, but the wet ground softens the impact, and Wellington's troops hold firm. French infantry marches toward Wellington's center, but Allied fire and cavalry counterattacks break the momentum. Marshal Negi sends wave after wave of cavalry uphill. Wellington's infantry forms squares, turning men and bayonets into living fortresses. By evening, the farmhouse of La Haye-Sainte falls to the French, opening a dangerous gap near Wellington's center. Then Blücher's Prussians arrive from the east, attacking Napoleon's flank near Plancenoit and forcing the French to fight on two fronts. Napoleon commits his Imperial Guard, his last reserve. But Wellington's line rises and fires. The Guard falters. Waterloo ends Napoleon's empire and changes Europe forever.